Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in an apartment building today and we're going to take a look at a plugged kitchen sink. Now, these kitchen sinks are back to back with another unit, so hopefully we can clear it from the first one. Let's see what we find.
So I just pour some vinegar and baking soda in there.
Okay. Not a problem at all. That power outlet works?
Yes. Do I need to clear those off the counter?
No. The only thing you gotta do now is just relax.
I'll be relaxed when it's all clear.
Very soon, very soon. Where did you get this little bucket from, this little bin?
Oh, that's mine. We had it on the
That's a good bin.
Did you put it there when you were making last night?
No, it's good because like I've been looking for one shallow like that because
They sometimes have different stores or even Walmart. They have different shapes and sizes.
yeah, eh? You can smell the vinegar.
Yeah, just pour it on there.
That's okay. My previous job.
We did that last night.
You did this?
Yeah, but we didn't pull it from that thing. We took it from where you pulled first.
Can you do me a favor? Just go ask your neighbor to turn her hot water on. Just tell her to leave it on for like 10 minutes.
Clear?
That's it.
Yeah.
No, it's okay, make it stay up to about 10 minutes.
She can shut it off. She can shut it off.
Yeah, you can just put it down.
Did you loosen it?
No, I didn't.
Okay, I didn't loosen it. You never seen any leaks there,
No,
right?
no.
Okay, you don't want to start messing with things unless you have
Exactly, and
to.
that's why we didn't pull there. We only pulled there.
Yeah, you can pull this one. This one's a thinner material than this, so that's why I always go from this side.
Yeah.
And I see this this kind of little bulge
No,
there.
I know that the clamps sometimes they give problems to go back, so I didn't touch that.
Yeah, so we should be good. We'll test it out. If you do notice any leaking from here, let the management know, and they'll have to change these parts out. See how rusty and corroded they are?
The pipes are really corroded.
Yeah. See, I can start seeing little bits of bubbles here. So you may see a leak, just like a drip every once in a while.
Okay, so I'll just leave that there for now. Can it be tightened more?
You don't want to tighten it anymore because then it will
Then
break.
we'll have a break.
Yeah.
Ooh, that looks good for now.
Alright, do you have plugs for these?
Yes.
No, those are strings.
Oh,
You
no,
have
I
plugs?
don't have plugs.
Okay,
no.
can I steal some of your paper towel? Basically, I want to fill these up and then drain it out. Yes, you can use it. Nope. What's the unit number here? That's how they save money.
But that's not why, is it?
It's code. Look, you got me talking about money and I wrote money down here.
Because guess what?
What?
When someone do wrong, it affects the other person.
But you're also connected all the way up and all the way down. So how many floors in this building?
7.
7 floors. So 14 units on one drain. Right?
Ah.
If they was to do it the other way, it would cost so much money
Yeah.
to put in pipes for the
individual
whole
pipe.
line.
Yeah.
It,
And then it was done way back then.
right?
I'm just glad.
Yeah.
battery wants to know that it's full.
I want to make sure they're always working.
Of course.
So, what I'm going to ask you to do, quick question. See very low pressure out of here. I can take this out and leave this on, you get more pressure if you want me to. I'm not supposed to, but I don't like, they put these flow restrictors on these water, they need the volume of water to push things down and they don't have it. So if you want me to take it out, I can take it out for you. Don't tell them I told you. If you want, just leave it right here. If they ever say, oh, what? Say the guy came and took it off and forgot to put it back on.
Okay.
So it's up to you, right?
Okay.
Look,
And if I want it in, I can put it back.
This one might be tricky to get out. Just go like that.
But don't that carry a strainer as well?
You don't want a strainer in these.
Okay.
You're not getting.
Because there's a filter already on the line.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know what I mean? So it's when you start reducing the water pressure in apartments, you're not getting enough volume and hot water to push everything down and melt the grease down and everything like that, right?
Okay.
So.
Ah.
Okay. So, what I'm going to ask you to do now, leave your hot water on for about 15-20 minutes. Okay? Just let it run. And that's going to help you guys in the end because it's going to melt the grease, right? Try to do that on a regular basis. Maybe once a week, twice a week.
You know, I do it all the time.
Yeah.
Especially if I make stuff and I wash this stuff, I would leave it on and I would add some soap to it as well and leave the residue.
Don't even worry about the soap. You want hot water, constant hot water that's running down the pipes. It's going to melt it down, right? Over time. It's not something that's going to work instantly, but it will work over time. So. And you got pretty good hot water here, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right? I don't see any leak, so just keep an eye on it.
Okay, now I'll just leave that there for now.
Yeah, and if you ever do, be careful you don't hit it, because if you hit that, like a lot of people store a lot of a lot of stuff under their drain, and they hit it, right? And it's like, if you hit it when it's that weak, it's just gonna snap. Especially if there's a lot of stuff under there and you don't know, you're gonna notice your floor is wet. All right?
Thank you very much.
No problem.
All right, guys, there you go. You've seen everything's running good now. So till next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.